how to buy the SECS, the OnGUARD by Virtuous token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their update about this token. Now let's go and buy this token. So as you can see, this token it's available on the screener, and now as you can see, this token it's under the base network. Now what you need to do, copy the token address and go and open your Bitget wallet. Now after that, go to your wallet and switch the network to base network from here. Now after that, click on this plus icon and now paste the token address from here. And now as you can see, this is our token. Just click on plus icon. Now go back to your wallet to be able to buy it. Just scroll down, wait a few seconds, and this is our token. Just click on it. And now click on swap to be able to buy it. Now click here to switch to be able to buy it. Just select here and the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, and make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now type here how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you will receive of that token. Now after that, click on swap or buy and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the SECS token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.